Okay, so in the last video, I used the X gates to show you how to move from the zero state to the one state, and from the one state to the zero state with qubits. So now, oh, and I also showed you, introduce you to the Y gate, but I'm gonna use the Y gate again. I'm gonna play it. You see it went from the zero state to the one state on the qubit. And really just a qubit is basically just a photon or of an atom, usually of a light atom. It's like a particle. Okay, so we're gonna go to use another Y gate, and we're gonna play this. You see it's gonna go from the 0, 1 state back to the 0 state around the y-axis of the qubit. See how it went around the y-axis. Okay, so we do that one more time. Do that one more time. Right there. I'm gonna play it. Play it again. I'm gonna play it again. And you see it went back to the one state. Okay. What else can we do? That's it. That's it for this video. I'll keep it short.